Paltrox RX Male Enhancement bigger ampersand long-lasting erections maximum pleasure ampersand intensified orgasms surge in sex drive ampersand energy ramps up stamina ampersand power increased sexual confidence experience vitality ampersand peak performance a sexual health divide. Are you suffering from the following symptoms? Recent surveys on sexual health and satisfaction levels among American men have revealed the following. Say sexual health influences on overall life satisfaction. Suffer from small penis syndrome. Believe embarrassment is a major sexual barrier. Avoid sex altogether because of the lack of sexual confidence. Introducing Paltrox RX Male Enhancement System. Made with a blend of natural ingredients, Paltrox RX is a male enhancement system that has been formulated to restore your sexual youth and performance and help you experience an intense, blissful ampersand powerful sex life. Paltrox RX dual action formula not only gives you an instant surge in sexual power ampersand performance but also treats the root cause of sexual dysfunctions, ensuring that you are able to satisfy your consistently. Made with herbal extracts, Paltrox RX is completely safe to use and is free from any harmful side effects. Triple intensity male enhancement for maximum results. The prosexual nutrient matrix in Paltrox RX helps boost the 3 S's of sex size, stamina ampersand satisfaction, helping you peak perform and pleasure your partner just like you did in your 20s. Paltrox RX is proudly made in the United States of America at a certified manufacturing facility to meet statutory industry standards. Every purchase is backed by a satisfaction guarantee, so that you can enjoy the benefits with confidence. The science behind better, longer ampersand more intense sex. The blood flow to the penis is responsible for erections, while the holding capacity of the penis chambers is what influences sexual stamina and staying power. Paltrox RX helps boost both to help you and your partner enjoy intense orgasms and complete satisfaction. Paltrox RX prosexual nutrient blend is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream to stimulate nitric oxide production. This in turn boosts the flow of blood to the penile chambers, helping you enjoy harder and stronger erections. It also expands the penis chambers, allowing it to hold more blood in order to drastically increase sexual stamina, strength and power. Paltrox RX utilizes a breakthrough rapid absorption and extended release technology. Rapid absorption of the ingredients into the bloodstream aid in delivering an instant surge of sexual power, while the extended release technology delivers sustained results that help you enjoy on command erections and stamina to last all night long. Paltrox RX works by triggering the 2 mechanisms known to increase penis size, function and performance. These are an increase in free testosterone and nitric oxide production to the penis. Paltrox RX is the only product that does both. It contains the most potent nitric oxide stimulators, which maximize the delivery of the active ingredients to your penile tissue, giving you firmer, longer erections. The benefits of Paltrox RX Advanced Male Enhancement. Paltrox RX Male Enhancement System offers multiple sexual health benefits to help you enjoy hard erections, increased stamina and peak performance, improved libido ampersand sex drive. Get ready to experience a torrent of desire ampersand passion with Paltrox RX, which replenishes sexual energy stores across the body like never before. Increased staying power. Bid goodbye to premature ejaculations. Paltrox RX floods your penile chambers with a gush of blood, letting you last 5x more than usual. Bigger, harder ampersand longer erections. Paltrox RX lets you achieve rock-hard erections on command, helping you and your partner enjoy insane sexual sessions whenever you desire. Improved sexual confidence. Equipped with youthful sexual powers ampersand energy, you are sure